Hey, bud, how you doing?
How you doing, man?
Good, man.
Oh,
Scott. Oh, nice to meet you, bud. Is this a business of yours?
What's that?
Is this a business of yours?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I just got, it's just me.
Just you? Well, this is just me.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Welcome to the club.
Yeah, I've been doing it. I'm on my 3rd year right now.
There you go.
I was an electrician before.
Oh, nice.
And now I'm just doing whatever pays.
Do your thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
I still install. I did low voltage fire alarms too for a while, so I do some installs there.
Okay.
And take care of some lighting.
Okay, cool.
And I take care of 100, and every year I'm going to be doing 15 of these if everything still works out. But
right.
I clean 110 swamp coolers, and now they wanted me to replace 15 this year. So
Oh, wow. Okay.
But we'll have to keep. I mean, I'll probably rent this from you every year.
Okay, sounds good. I was gonna say, if you're a business, I can keep that rate. I gotta, I'll do a contractor's rate and kind of give you guys a break.
Right on.
Trying to support each other.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. No, you made it easy. I was looking and all over, calling all these different places, and no one, I don't know.
No one answers, or no one gets back to you.
And then the online things weren't, and then you answered and made it easy, and I'm like, all right.
That's why we're here, man. Gotta do it easy. So so this is gonna come with. Let me just show you around here. I don't know why I took this off. It comes with straps.
Oh, okay.
It's set up. It's kind of really set up for a car hauler, but So actually, the winch control's in here, but there's no battery. But you're not going to need the winch, right?
Oh yeah, I didn't need any of
Okay.
it. I even got my own straps.
Okay.
But I might use a strap or two if I.
Yeah. So let me pull. These are axle straps. You won't need those.
No.
So let me pull these out.
How many trailers you got? You got different kinds?
Got a couple. Yeah, I got a 20-foot, 10,000-pound enclosed as well.
Okay.
It's all set up the same with a winch and battery and all the straps. E-track. So if you need to move something that you need to keep enclosed,
right,
I can keep it there. So yeah, there's 4 big long straps in here, and there's a 5th if you need it. Cool. You're not going to need the winch controller. So there's a couple gloves there. Jacks you won't need. They're for loading a car. Yep. Jack, if you get a flat spare tire, there's a tool down here to change the lugs, to get the lugs off. Yeah, a couple wheel chocks if you need it, but there they are. We'll just kind of keep everything from moving around. Actually, I'm going to give you, since you're going to be strapping down kind of something odd, I've got these stake pockets.
Oh yeah, those would be nice.
So you can put these anywhere you want.
Here?
Yep.
Cool.
Well, it's in the stake pockets.
Oh, in the stake.
Yeah, and then just run that down and run a pin in it.
Perfect.
Then you can put them wherever you want. So let me give you, maybe 4 of them?
I'm going to put 6 on the load, but then it's only.
Well, you've got 4 there to choose from. There's 2 in the very tail. There's no.
I think I can set them side by side.
Oh no, you're good.
You're good.
You're good. I'll give you 4 of them just for the hell of it. So you've got them if you need them. Cool. That. Let's get unhooked here. And I'll get you hooked up.
What'd you do before this?
I'm actually doing a couple things here. Yeah, just a second, let me grab this. Copper State trailer rentals. Hello. Yeah, I get a lot of those. A lot of people just calling, don't say anything, or trying to sell me something I didn't ask for. Okay, so you got your 2 and 5/16 ball.
Yep.
Cool.
Thing is, I had a trailer before I started. I sold it, and I'm like, I'll never need this.
Yeah.
I really didn't have the place to store it. It was more
Yeah, that's the thing. That's really the thing with the trailer is you need it, but you only need it 10% of the time, or 5% of the time.
This is the first time in 2 years I needed one.
All right. Well, yeah, I hope they come back. And so you're doing 15 new swamp coolers? Is that it? Yeah, wow.
Actually, for the emission testing.
Where?
There's emission testing in Arizona.
Emission testing.
He's got to get your vehicle tested.
Oh,
every year.
is it for them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. So there's different emission sites?
Yeah.
Okay.
3 different ones.
Okay, cool.
They have 100.
Oh my God.
machine that they, you know, throughout their 16 or 17 buildings they got.
Wow.
I'm working on it for 2.5 months.
You have?
Mm-hmm. Cleaning them. Now I got to finish replacing them. This will be the easy part. Cleaning them's the hard part.
Yeah, replacing them is going to be pretty simple, isn't it? Pull these off so they don't go away. You going to be here pretty local, or?
Oh yeah, I just live on State Lake, Gilbert.
I mean, just on your.
Oh yeah, I'm going to be right here. Well, actually, I'm going to Buckeye.
Yeah, there's just no mileage or anything. Just
yeah.
sort of pull that kind of stuff off. If you get into highway, that stuff wants to leave.
I gotcha. Yeah, I gotta go out to Buckeye, but both the other two are right here in Mesa.
Okay, cool. So yeah, winch. You don't care about the winch. No battery. You don't care about that. So the spare. Got the stake pockets. You're not worried about the ramps in the back. They're all locked up, so you don't have to worry about those.
Shouldn't need those. I'm gonna have a crane pull them off.
Oh, so easy then.
Yeah.
No, you're not side loading or anything. Oh shoot, that's a dream.
Yeah, they're gonna load them and unload them for me.
Awesome. Right, let me.
And this is for the lock.
Yeah. So you got 3.
Yeah.
The only one you don't want is that's the ramps in the back. There's 2 locks. So that's the tongue, that guy.
Okay.
And that's the toolbox.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Let me pull out your way here and get you hooked up. Oh wow. Have you got a camera? Right here. Oop. That way just a bit. Just straighten it up. Straighten it up. Oop. Come back just a little bit. A little more. Oh. Forward just a bit. Up. I get you to come back just a touch. Oh, good. Yeah. Just a little crooked, but the jack moves a bit. Yeah, this thing's a beast, boy. It really tows.
Yeah,
94, 9,500, 100 pounds?
I towed a 27-foot RV with it was.
Holy crap. I was surprised.
I got airbags on there too, but I don't think I'll need them.
God damn. Oh, you got bags. That's really nice. Boy, this phone is blowing up today. Copper State Trailer Rentals, this is Scott. Yeah, sure. What trailer are you looking at? Okay, yeah, it's available. Actually, I'm hooking up another customer right now. Can I give you a call back in about 10 minutes and we can... What was your name? Austin, I'll give you a call back. My name's Scott. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Busy today.
This whole week.
Yeah?
This thing's been out all week.
Nice.
You called me right in time. It just came back yesterday.
Nice. Well, I was camping this weekend, and I knew I had to do this, and I was so busy last week I didn't have a chance, and I knew I was going camping. I'm like, oh shit,
this can't be real, dude. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Where's my key not working here?
That locks down when this goes down.
Yeah, that just locks the ball in.
Yep.
There we go. Ugh. And then this guy, you got a key for this.
Yep, put on my key ring.
That's that. Let's get your chains hooked up. Loosen that one up a little bit. Let's throw your lights in there and let's check that those work. this guy here, maybe around your hitch usually is a pretty good spot. Just go up and over and you can latch it back to itself. Yeah. Yeah, it should be fine. Let's check your lights. Let's do, yeah, I can pull that up in there. You got brakes? Yep. Yep. Good. All right. Their tires are 65 cold.
Okay.
They're up actually just a little over that. I just torqued everything 110 on the wheels, so they're good.
Good.
Inside here, in that little case where the winch controller is, there's a pressure gauge if you need it. So just check it every so often and
make sure.
Yeah, you should be good right now.
And if I get done earlier, I'll just bring it back. I'll call you.
Actually, I'm going to need you to bring it back about the same time on the 5th. I'm going to be out of town that weekend. I come back in Monday.
That's fine.
So
I'll keep in touch. How about that?
I'll tell you about, yeah, I'm leaving early. I'm going to be just inside California there. I should be back by noon, so I think we can. Monday? Yeah. Okay. I got a 4-hour drive, so I'll give you a call that morning and we'll hook up. And
if it's later, just let me know.
Okay.
I can do that.
Awesome, man.
It's easy enough.
Perfect, Paul. Appreciate it.
Scott.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you guys.
You have a good week.
You too, bud. Holler at me if you need anything, any questions, problems. Yeah, man. Thank you.
This is Austin.
Yeah, hey, Austin. This is Scott again at Copper State. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good, man. Appreciate that. Thank you. I was just hooking up a customer, and he's on his way now. So, you're talking about the enclosed. What days are you thinking you need it?
I was looking for like pickup on Saturday and drop it back off on Sunday. Do you guys do that on the weekends?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm 24 hours.
Okay, perfect. And then so it looks on the website it's $140 a day.
Correct.
And you
$100. Yeah, it's just a $100 deposit, just a security deposit. As long as the trailer comes back undamaged and not missing anything, you'll get that $100 back.
Perfect. And then there was like an insurance opt-in that you could do. Is that required, or is that just something that you can opt in for?
You can opt in.